Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making poha. This dish is a breakfast dish. However, if you're looking for a lightweight dinner, this will also do the trick. Poha is flattened rice, mixed in with onions, curry leaves, cilantro, and spices, topped with pomegranates, shaved, grated carrots, and a pinch of Jeerawan Masala. So let's get started making this poha dish. Let's get started into the ingredients. 2 cups poha, half a cup of red onion, 2 tablespoons cilantro, 1 serrano pepper, 6 curry leaves, a half of a lemon juice. Firstly, place the poha into a large bowl and add water till the poha is submerged. Wait 10 to 15 seconds, then strain out the water. Once the poha is put back into the bowl, add a pinch of salt and give it a good mixing. On medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is hot, add a half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. After mustard seeds start to sizzle, add serrano pepper. Add red onion. Add curry leaves and stir thoroughly. Add a half a teaspoon turmeric powder and mix. Add a pinch of salt, now it's time to add the poha, turn off the heat, add cilantro, add a half a teaspoon garam masala and mix. Lastly, add a half of a lemon juice and mix thoroughly. Next, it's time to make a homemade Jeerawan Masala to enhance the flavor of the poha. On medium heat, add 4 dried red chilies, 4 bay leaves, a half an inch of cinnamon stick, 3 black cardamom, 10 cloves, 16 black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1.5 tablespoons cumin seeds. Roast till fragrant. Now place the roasted items into a blender and add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, black salt to taste, a half a teaspoon of hing, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon dried ginger powder, pinch of salt, blend and add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, voila! Just like that, you too can make your own Jeerawan Masala. Let's plate this brightly colored dish. I hope you enjoyed my video. This dish is a great way to start off your morning. Give this dish a try and let me know in the comments below or tag me on Instagram. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for my upcoming videos. And of course, until next time, I'll see you guys on my next video.